Now look here. Okay, first, okay, now circle. Okay, circle enough. Here at inside small circle. Okay, big one and small. Okay, this only the bird. Here you can add here for that eye. Yes, okay, nice. Now you can add pig here. Now you can find out what is that. Yeah, bird. Okay, now bird looking this side. Okay, yeah, if you want you can add here just line. This line came nicely. Tail. Okay, bird tail. Now to add this line for what? Legs. Okay, yeah, already you know how to we draw the fingers. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 finger behind one. Now see nicely. Okay, yeah, if you want you can add here the line width. See, if now easy to color. Why? Space have. Okay, now you know how to draw this leg. Okay, yeah, big circle and small circle came. Now we have finished the bird with. Okay, next, same technique but a different way. What is that? Okay, circle. Now I am going to draw this head here. Okay, now will come different. Look here. Now you know how do we can change. Very simple, no? Yeah, different word where everywhere is looking. Okay, now I am going to add here. Okay, now just I add here beak. Okay, if you want tail, you can add 3 or 4, many. Okay, yeah, here. Yes, nice. Now legs where will come this front. Okay, now you can add straight line, also straight line, other line other side. Why? You know, when you going to color, easy to color here inside. That's why we are putting 2 lines. Okay, now you know 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, behind one. If you want you can add here, yeah, line width, 2 line width. Now okay, no, if you like you can change beak also, different beak width. When you change different beak width will come different birds. Yeah, now looking that side, here down. Okay, now this is interesting. Yeah, I am putting middle. What happened? Yes, I am. Yes, I add 2i. Why front view? No, 2i. You can see. Okay, yeah, big. One leg, other one shortly. Why? Why I am putting short this leg? Look. Why, you know? Yeah. Yes. 1 2 3 again. 1 2 3. Yeah. Now you know this bird walking. That's why front leg big, other one small. See here. Yeah, if you want you can add here tail. If you don't like, leave it. Why behind? No, behind you can't see that one. Okay, leave it. This front view. Okay, nicely. Next you're going to add, yeah, here. Yes, looking up. Okay, now I am at line, not straight line. Just why? Knee. That's why I bent this line. Okay, if you want you can add straight lines, doesn't matter, just different. That's why I'm showing. 1 2 3, behind. Okay, now looking up. If you want you can add here tail here. Okay, what kind of tail? Any. Now I am adding here different. Okay, yeah, just line here. See nicely. Now question have what question? Where the wings? Okay, that means we can add. I will teach how to draw that wings, everything. Okay, now just you can look here, this one. Next, other interest one. Okay, now I'm going to draw circle. Now I'm going to add here small circle here down. What say with this bird will come? Look. Now I'm going to add here beak, two legs are here. Okay, nice. 1 2 3, behind 1. 1 2 3, behind 1. If you want you can add here that again one line with. Okay, came no? Okay, down and look that side. Okay, nicely. Yeah, now next, this also different circle. Now you very easy. Now you know how to draw birds, very simple. Yeah, next time you can try this work. Yeah, now I am at circle here, half meaning this head that side. Okay, yeah, look, finish after you know. Yeah, now I'm at two line. Forward, legs are here. 1 2 3. From this front view, the bird are going that side. That's why three fingers that side, front side. Behind here, this side only one finger that side. Behind three. Okay, now see, look here. If you want you can add here tail here. Where? Anyway. Okay, here also we can add tail. Okay, see nicely. Okay, now you know how to draw these birds. But when you're going to change different word, you can change beak. When you change beaks, that bird are different. Parrot or something, crow and eagle. Yeah, that's birds beak also different, no? That's why. Now I will teach. Just watch how to draw these legs. Okay, legs only I am teaching. Now you can add here long line. Okay, thick and thin here. Why? Starting the leg here, finishing in thin. Now 1 2 3. 1 2 3, behind one, behind one. Now you can add here. This is a leg. Okay, sometime this leg, sometimes leg will come this shape also. Okay, same technique, thick and thin, thick and thin. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, see, this is a leg. If you want, you can short legs or long one also you can draw. Okay, okay kids, this now this work finished. Next time I will meet. Okay, okay, bye bye, thank you.